Hello children, as you all know, our India, Bharat Mata, has a great privilege of having her sons, great sons. I am going to talk about one son of India, that is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, a great orator, politician, economist, modern Manu, Bharat Ratna, and chairman of Indian Constitution Committee, Drafting Committee. So, Dr. Ambedkar was the name given by his teacher in school. His teacher loved him. His original name was Amvad Ambedkar and his teacher named him Ambedkar. So, Bhimrao Ambedkar was born in Madhya Pradesh. His father was in army. He started schooling. He belonged to Meher caste and his caste was considered as low caste, untouchable. They were not to be mingled up in students and children of high caste. When he used to go to school, he was segregated from other class who was of high class boys, and he used to sit at threshold and studied hard, and he had excellent marks even then. As he was of low caste, he could not touch and drink water from the taps of other boys. Children, you will be so pleased to know that Dr. B.R. Ambedkar could read and write for many days at a stretch. One day, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was writing for some journal. His secretary went off in the evening, and when next morning, he came back for his duty for the next day, B.R. Ambedkar was still writing. He was still at his desk. So this was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and now I have learned that in some school, students celebrated his birthday by reading 18 hours at a stretch. So then this was his hobby. He led his fraternity to join to use public tanks because they were not allowed. Then they were not allowed to go to temples. He joined them. He struggled for this also and he got success. So Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, this is the reason he didn't like at his last age Hinduism, Hindu religion, because there was caste system only was in Hindu religion. In West he didn't see caste. He wrote some books also, and in his last phase of life he adopted Buddhism. So Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, he was selected as law minister, first law minister of India in the Republic India, and he became chairman of Indian Constitution Drafting Committee, and he did his duty very beautifully. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar wished that more Indians should be entered in Indian Army also, and this was happened in 1941. Meher's battalion was formed. He got success, and people, Indian women, started calling him Baba Sahib with respect, as Baba is for grandparents and Sahib is judged as Sir. So he was called Baba Sahib with dignity. And for some reason, after 2-3 years as law ministership, he resigned from his office. This great Indian Dalit leader was awarded in 1990 Bharat Ratna Award posthumously. Children, posthumously means after death. And Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, in his last 3 decades, means 30 years, he was clad in a dark blue suit with tie. So Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is remembered by me and by you all the children and by all the citizens of this India, and people in abroad love him. Thank you.